In this example, we're going to see how text pre-processing and word cloud modules work on the Alteryx platform. Before we do that, let me show you the dataset that I use for this specific example. The data that I'm showing consists of 4 different columns, including clouding ID. Assume that this is the barcode on the product. And then we have the department name. Then we have the title and the review text. This is what people say about my products. Then we have the reviewer age group. So this is a typical example of a product review. The data that we're interested in today is the title and the review text column, which basically includes customer opinions about our product lines. So let's take a look at this column here. Some people love our product, as it says here, love this top, and was really happy to find it on sale. Some people don't like it. Some people think that there are some problems, there are some design problems with our product lines. As an example, if you take a look at this comment here, it says some major design problems. Then some people say it runs big. Some people say this is a perfect product. So once again, we're getting different opinions from our customer base. With that being said, we don't want to see the stop words. So stop words are the common words that are removed from the text because they're not useful or they have very little meaning. Articles, prepositions, pronouns, those are the ones that we don't want to see. I listed those on the screen here. So we don't want to see any he, she, they kind of pronouns. We don't want to see any common verbs like are, was, were, being, been. We don't want to see any prepositions in, on, at, with kind of thing. So what we do is that we use this text pre-processing module and we basically filter out digits, punctuations, and stop words. And if you want to include more verbs like fabric, greet, love, like, look, looks, you can always enter those here. You can always put a comma here and say something else too, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. But those are the additional verbs that I use that I don't want it to include in the cloud word, in the word cloud. And here you basically select the corresponding column here. Once again, it's a very straightforward process. And once you do that data pre-processing or text pre-processing, then you can use word cloud function or the module. You can customize it. What I mean by customizing, you can change the background color. You can say, I don't want to have more than 250 words. You can adjust the width and height kind of thing, but I'm not going to be playing with those. So let's just leave them as they are. And once you hit run, this is what you're going to see at the end. So these are the most common words used in this text: perfect, dress, color. It gives you a good idea of what people really think about your product. So this is how text pre-processing and word cloud modules work on the Alteryx platform.